Hey everyone, check this out. Strategy, MicroStrategy stock. It's off another 6% today, trading less than book value. Strategy, a big sell-off here. Here, I'll pan the camera over so you can see this. Look, MicroStrategy is now, a bar chart technical opinion, is now 100% sell and ranks in the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. The long-term indicators fully support a continuation of trend, and the RSI is below 30%. Is MicroStrategy, doomed? Is it going to survive? Is it going to find a bottom and pivot and go back up? Is this the washout in MicroStrategy or Strategy Inc. before the washout, before the pump back up? Or is, MicroStrategy, it's something else. Interesting here, the trading range, you can see it here, $543 a share to $178, and today's low was a new 52-week low at $175. MicroStrategy, my goodness. Let's take a look at it live here. Take a look at it. Try to get this more. Look at strategy. Stock is off. Look at this tanking. This round, amazing. Look at the stocks tanking. Today's Thursday, November 20th, 2025. And you can look, here's the weekly chart for strategy. Tanking. Just a week ago, it was $228 a share. A month ago, $304 a share. 3 months ago, strategy was $358 a share, and in the last year, you can see this thing. My goodness, look! Just recently, in July 16th of 2025, it was $450 a share. So that's the question: is MicroStrategy? Is it time to purchase it? Peter Schiff had made some comments about strategy, saying that it could be. Could possibly go bankrupt. So here it is, 100% strong sell. Guys, check out the links below. Tell me what you think. Is it time to purchase strategy to do the opposite of everyone else in the crypto space? 100% downtrend. I don't usually look at the technical indicators, but if I do open a position, typically it will be when this is achieved. I'll start to DCA it when everyone else is selling. 100% sell and ranks in the top 1%. Long-term indicators, continuation of trend. So, I don't know, was Warren Buffett right? It's not going to end well. Is strategy over leveraged? They keep issuing debt. What's their yield? They don't have to pay a dividend, apparently, according to Peter Schiff. So, they could go bust out. Look at their fundamentals. Sticking to the fundamentals. Look at this. Market cap, 53. Look at that, shares outstanding, annual sales. They're not profitable either. MicroStrategy or strategy is not profitable. And the price to book is trading at book value. And the dividend yield, there is no dividend yield. So, we'll see. PE ratio, 9 times earnings, trailing 12 months. So, but how can it have a PE ratio if it doesn't have annual income? So kind of looking at the fundamentals of strategy here. Look at this, oversold technically. Time to purchase strategy shares? You tell me. Tell me what you think. Links below. Again, it's John Taylor on his trading desk here looking at strategy. Check it out.